Sushmita Sen's younger daughter, Alisa Sen, turned 12 today. The actress took to Instagram and shared a video montage featuring Alisa and her family. Alongside the video, Sushmita wrote, "Happy 12th birthday, Alisa. To God's most precious gift and the love of my life. Happy birthday, my Shonama. Thank you for being born. You make this world a beautiful place, adding to each passing moment more goodness, kindness, and love. I am so proud of you. Congratulations, Alisa. You are 12-year-old as Didi. What a magical journey. We love you, Alisa. May God bless you with divine abundance. May you always be nurtured in love." Sushmita adopted her elder daughter Renee when she was 24. She adopted her second daughter Alisa in 2010. On the acting front, Sushmita will next be seen in the second part of the web series Arya, directed by Ram Madhvani. Last year, the first season of the show marked her return to showbiz after 5 years since she appeared on screen. Her last released film before Arya was the Bengali art house film Nirbak. On the personal front, Sushmita is dating model Roman Shawl. The couple never fails to amaze their fans with their PDA moments. Take a look at the pictures and videos. Superstars Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone will be shooting a song in Spain for the upcoming film Pathaan, directed by Siddharth Anand. Shah Rukh and Deepika will not only shoot crucial parts of their film in Spain, but will also shoot a massively mounted song there. A source said, "No Bollywood film has ever shot song sequences in these places. Siddharth Anand will shoot a spectacle of a song in Spain, and things are totally under wraps to control all possible leaks. The intent is to create a song that is visually so grand that it is an instant hit. All necessary permissions are being worked on for a smooth shooting experience in Spain." The source shared that Pathaan is turning out to be an insanely awaited visual extravaganza. Added the source, Siddharth Anand and Aditya Chopra want to redefine Indian cinema on the world map, and every attempt is being made to achieve this goal. Pathaan also stars John Abraham. Other details about the movie are still under wraps. Shah Rukh Khan was last seen in 2018 Zero. The film also starred actress Anushka Sharma and Katrina Kaif. Recently, Shah Rukh Khan and filmmaker-choreographer Farah Khan have treated their fans by performing on the title track of their film Main Hoon Na. Farah posted a video on Instagram where the two are seen swaying on the track. In the end of the clip, the filmmaker is seen giving a peck on Shah Rukh's cheek. Alongside the video, Farah wrote, "With my most favorite, one and only SRK, there's no one like you." Main Hoon Na marked the directorial debut of Farah Khan in 2004. It also stars Zayed Khan, Sushmita Sen, Amrita Rao and Sunil Shetty. After Main Hoon Na, Shah Rukh Khan and Farah Khan collaborated for films such as Om Shanti Om and Happy New Year. On the acting front, Deepika has several high-profile films lined up over the next few months. She will be seen opposite husband Ranveer Singh in 83, which accounts the saga of India's first Cricket World Cup win in 1983, while Ranveer plays the team's captain Kapil Dev. Deepika essays Kapil's wife Romi. Deepika also stars in Project K with Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas, and in Shakun Batra's Untitled Next with Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi. Deepika will also team up with Big B in The Intern, while Fighter cast her opposite Hrithik Roshan. According to reports, she will also be seen in the Shah Rukh Khan starrer Pathaan. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan shared a picture with his nephew Nirvan Khan from Russia, where he is shooting the upcoming spy thriller Tiger 3. Salman posted the picture on Instagram. In the picture, Salman and Nirvan, who is the son of actor-producer Suhail Khan, are seen sauntering on the streets of Russia. The 55-year-old star looks dapper in ripped jeans, paired with grey t-shirt, checkered jacket and a baseball cap. Nirvan is sporting olive green cargo pants, paired with black leather jacket and sweatshirt. To complete the look, he is seen wearing glasses. Chacha Bhatija The Dabangg actor captioned the image, which currently has over 1.5 million likes on the photo sharing website. Tiger 3 is the third installment, which is directed by Manish Sharma and also stars Katrina Kaif. The film was put on hold due to the global outbreak of COVID-19. Tiger 3 is the third part of the spy thriller franchise. The first installment, Ek Tha Tiger, directed by Kabir Khan, released in 2012. The second film, Tiger Zinda Hai, released in 2017 and was directed by Ali Abbas Zafar. Recently, a fan page on Instagram, which goes by the name Salmanik Aryan, shared a few stills from the film featuring the Dabangg star, who is unrecognizable in his getup. According to the fan page, the pictures are from a car chase sequence that is being shot in the country. The 55-year-old superstar is seen sporting long reddish-brown hair and a beard. He is wearing a white t-shirt, jeans, a red jacket and a headband for the look. Salman Khan was last seen in Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai. The film also stars Disha Patni, Jackie Shroff, Randeep Hooda in pivotal roles. Radhe was directed by Prabhu Deva. The film received mixed response from the audience. Salman Khan is all set to return for its 15th season of Bigg Boss. Currently, the digital version of the show is being hosted by filmmaker Karan Johar. The digital version airs on Voot. Katrina's next release is Suryavanshi, starring Akshay Kumar. She also has the horror comedy Phone Bhoot lined up. It has been directed by Gurmeet Singh and also features Ishan Khattar and Siddhant Chaturvedi. The actress is also attending script reading sessions for Sriram Raghavan's untitled next film opposite Vijay Sethupathi.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.